So to wrap up our lesson, we would be looking at whose scat is that? So this is going to be more of a, this is a summative and a formative. So they would be walking around and I would be asking questions. How are you coming up with this? Where are you getting this information from? What observations are you making about the scat that you see? So this is what the form would look like. Whose scat is that? So they have the different animals. They have a possum, they have a deer, a coyote, a toad, a mouse, a rabbit, a bear, a cougar, and a goose. So these would be the setups throughout the classroom. None of these are actual poop. They have some toots. This is a Tootsie Roll. Um, this is the Cocoa. No, this is the Cocoa Puffs. These are dried dates. So all of this is edible. I don't want to eat it, but all of these are edible. So based off of the location of the scat, I would have the students to try to figure out whose scat is that. So they would be working within groups to be able to figure this out. So I would have them to write out their observations and come up with what it is. And they would draw a quick little picture to go along with it. Upon grading this, I would be grading for multiple things, more so to see if they actually understood the facts of how to create an observation. So using their five senses, what do you see? Not necessarily what you smell, because it wouldn't smell like actual scat. Not what you would hear, but just your physical senses to figure out whose animal scat is this. Okay. So this is what the worksheet would look like. So for the possum, well, I know that this one was the rabbit, I think. So I would put that it's small round pebbles, brown in color, circular, just to give them an idea. So I would probably give them the first one on their the first one to kind of get them started to figure out what they were supposed to be doing, and then we would go from there.